Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video I'm going to explain to you how basically you can change your PIN on Monzo. Now it's really easy and simple. You can actually change your PIN at the cash machine of any major, high street bank. For example, Barclays, HSBC, Lloyd's, for example, by choosing the PIN services on the ATM machine. Of course, guys, you can change it at some cash machines in some other countries, but it's recommended that you do it in the UK if you can, because there's a high chance that if you try to do this abroad, it might not actually work. So you want to try to do this in the UK. Just go to any ATM of a high street bank and you can change your PIN there by choosing the PIN services option. So I hope this video helps you out, guys, and if it does, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, so you get notified of the next upload, and I'll see you in the next one.